It's time we had the talk. Well, when two people really care about each other, when your mother and I, well, it's like, oh, you remember that one time at the zoo? St. Joseph once said, well, just don't believe everything you hear in the girls' bathroom. When two birds, or the two bees, you know what, never mind. I have no idea what that has to do with any. Okay, let me start over. One day when you get older, you're gonna start having feelings.
You don't have to have perfect timing. Your time is perfect enough. Just be a dad.